Hey guys, I'm Kolie and I'm going to do another unboxing and a review for the Soul's Reflection Love Oracle by Nadine Swiger. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the notification bell for more videos to come. And so you guys, I got this Oracle deck recently. This is pretty much the back of the deck in the front. But it doesn't come with a guidebook. I'm having trouble getting in here. Okay. But I bought this deck on Etsy. And I love it. So I want to show you guys. Let's see here. This is, looks like this is a love and relationships deck as well. And this is pretty much the how to read the cards, but you just go by it intuitively. One second. Okay, there we go. Hope it doesn't slip. All right. I'm knocking my crystals. Anyway, this is the back of it, which is beautiful. And I'm just going to dive right in so you guys can take a look. So I'm going to bring the camera down. There we go. Okay. So it's kind of like a message deck, a message oracle deck, I would say. But I like these kind of decks, so that's the reason why I got it. And this one says, so I can grow and nourish my soul. Leave space. Come to me. Relationship abuse, toxic relationship. So basically I use these in my readings when I do my clients' readings. Well, I will be. Change of heart. Trust issues. Heartbreak. Release pain, healing your heart. So you can use these along with when you're doing a reading. If you have want to clarify something or ask more questions, this says maybe the potential to happen is there. The potential to happen is there. Fix it. Sit down and communicate. I believe there's 78 cards in this deck as well. Karmic release. Friends. Past returns. Perhaps an ex-lover or a past life. Take my hand. Such a beautiful deck, I feel. Money issues. Preventing me from asking you out. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Date night. Love is coming. Planning ahead. Divine timing is aligned. It's like she's pregnant. Rumor. Don't listen. Don't spread. Kind of like, I don't know. It kind of reminds me of the Five of Swords in a way. Proposal. Happy ever after. Shyness, encourage taking it slow. Weather out the storm. Divine feminine. Giving a gift. Regret. Yeah, this one reminds me of the Five of Cups. Choose love. This could be the Lovers. Past life. Getting to know you. Yeah, I like message oracle decks. They kind of give you more straight answers in your readings. Overcome odds. Time with friends. Friends introduce a new love. Yes. True love. Mutual loyalty. True love. Retreat. Time to walk away to find yourself. Childhood love. Mask is on. Things are not what they seem. This could be the Moon. Insecurities. Let go of the negative experiences of the past. That's a beautiful water too. Open for love. Ain't we all? Well, I wouldn't say all, but you know. Take the leap. Have faith and trust in yourself. Happy family. This could be the 10 of Cups. And the one I just missed, that could be the Fool. Cleanse. Release what no longer serves you. That could be the Death card. Clarity. Clear your thoughts to see what is in front of you. This may be the Ace of Swords, I would say. Social media. Watching, committing, stalking. Oh, commenting, excuse me. Watching, commenting, and stalking. Illusion. What's fantasy or reality? Listen to the songs in your heart. Worth the wait. Children. Divine masculine. Divine protection. I'm loving these cards. First kiss. Wedding bells. Fun times. I recently had got a 5 affirmation, I would say 5 decks in one, but it's more of like message and affirmations. Third party. Unclear. And I would be uploading that pretty soon. Addictions. Should come in this week sometime. So when that comes, I'll upload it. On a pedestal. Does this hurt the relationship? Gate is open. Take a leap of faith. Walk through. Uncharted territory. New level of unconditional love. I also have this other deck that I can't wait to get here. That is beautiful. I haven't seen anyone on YouTube that showed it yet, or have showed it on video or anything like that. And so this one is soulmates. Control, feeling trapped, lost of self-respect. Twin flames. So I got a few good ones coming. Should I stay? Secret love. Hidden love. Meeting in secret. Release and let go. Oh, and by the way, the cards, they are thin. See how it goes way up there? So they are thin, but they have a silk finish, I would say. Smooth finish. Unrequited love. New life. Look for the signs. Stand by me. Yeah, this is a good one. I can see I'm going to love it already. Passion. And I forgot to show you guys what she had with the package when I bought these cards. So this is a little candle. So, but it's a light candle. I don't know if you guys can, let me see. Yeah, it's too bright. But, yeah, it's too bright. But it has this little, looks like a candle right there. And when you have it on, it looks like it moves. I was like, oh, that's neat that she had that in the package. Argument. And are you hearing each other? She also had, let me get it, this little pouch thingy here. It's like the pillow, it says the pillow crystal. And so she has some little crystals in there. So I was like, that was neat that it came with little other gifts. I love me some gifts. So that came in it. So that was neat. Lust. Hurtful words. Cupid. Love struck with Cupid's arrow. Differences. Not on the same page. If I can pick them up. Faith in destiny. Things will work out in the end. On the fence. No decision has been made. Hands of time. Wanting to grow old with you. Rewrite your love story. Opportunities to reconcile love. Or reconcile love. Many suitors. One stands out in the crowd. Okay. Gate closed. It's not the right time. And also, no. So it's a yes and a no in the deck. And so I'm going to shuffle for you guys so you guys can see how it shuffles. And then I'm going to pull a collective card. Like I said, there's no guidebook with this deck. You basically use it intuitively. So shuffle pretty good. Yeah, I like the way they shuffle. One more so I can pull a collective card for you guys. They're beautiful, ain't it? Look at that. They're beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna pull a collective for you guys. The fun part. Oh, giving a gift. All right. So someone, sweetie pie, is giving her or him a gift. So it could be the man giving a gift or the woman. You never know. So that's nice. To you guys dating, could be dating. Looks like could be in the middle of it don't look as like a long time type of dating. It looks like kind of short term in the middle or something like that. That's what it looks to me. Like you may haven't been dating maybe less than a year, I would say. All right, you guys, so that was the deck. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later.